Huzur, you have traveled many countries. Which country you like most?
Different countries have different associations, and out of all countries, as far as the natural beauty is concerned, I like Norway. It's the most beautiful country. And second, Scotland. Also, I like Bangladesh. Bangladesh has its own beauty, unbelievable beauty. And Sundarban, etc. And also, where is the red? What's the name of the place I've forgotten? In Bangladesh? Chittagong? Rangamati. Rangamati, that's right. So there are so many beautiful memories attached with Bangladesh, particularly with Sundarban. Amazing place. I was impressed by the fireflies which abound in the country. The most striking thing about it is that they shut their light and open their light in unison. The entire jungle, does like this. The flies close their light and open their light in complete unison. Amazing. Thousands of acres are full of those flies, and they do it at the same time. There is one cricket which sings a song like, shall I say, a bell is ringing. And that also that cricket does in unison. Whole the jungle, while the fireflies are doing this, the crickets are singing, ringing the bells in unison with them. So it's most unforgettable sight. I read in an English book, what's the name of that person who writes about the natural beauties and wonders?
William Wordsworth?
Huh?
Wordsworth?
No, here, the scientist. I've forgotten his name, but it may come to me. He has said exactly the same thing about Bangladesh. The beauty of Bangladesh which struck him, among other things, this was the most prominent thing which he has written about. And also the canals in the Sundarban and the tigers of Sundarban. I had a rifle in my hand, and my companion told me not to dare to step on the Sundarban forest, because he told me the tigers are just camouflaged. They suddenly come out, and it's impossible for you to then run for safety. Stupidly, I disregarded his advice, and as I put my foot on the soil, immediately I noticed a tiger waiting for me, and fortunately I learnt it in time and I returned to my boat. So that's what Sundarban has by way of terror as well.